All right, in the last video, I left off with this cage being built. What do you think? It's super sexy in my opinion. One of the coolest things I've built to date. This is the 1/8 scale JK Max from Capo Racing. Yes, this is real carbon fiber on the front for the support, as well as a carbon fiber floor. Everything you see here, except for this inside center console, is metal. Everything is metal. And if you guys didn't see the first assembly video, I'll link it right up here for you. And if you did, let's move on. This is the video that you get to assemble. This kind of transcends most languages. Everybody can figure out what's going on here. So I think it's kind of genius. They've been going with this idea at Capo for the longest time, and they're really starting to make it easy to understand. So, number one, not a lot of talking again for me today. Let's just get to building. Enter the amazing front axle. You'll see, those that watched my unboxing video know that I have one of these servos here. Check it out, a brand new servo from Taiwan called Deco. This is a 28 kilogram waterproof servo. Again, just being released into the Western world as well. More to come on Deco for sure. Everything is still aluminum, metal, amazing. I want to keep building. All right, so this has actually been pre-assembled for me by Capo just for ease of use on filming, but I still want to show you guys. Look inside here, guys. You got to get a light right in there so you can see it. All that would be assembled by you if you got the kit, of course. They just did this, but check out those gears, guys. Hardcore metal. I look forward to putting these to the test. Now let's get this mounted up. Getting in that last screw. That's what she said. Come on. Boing, boing, boing. So here we go. This servo is all mounted up. The transmission, the transfer case, the actual motor, if you guys missed in the unboxing video, is actually inside this whole case. It was pre-done for me to test to make sure the truck worked well and all that neat stuff. So I'm very fortunate to have this here with us so we can show it to you. But what do you think? That whole link suspension setup is pretty darn cool. I also love how the steering servo is mounted up, and I've got some questions. People have asked me in the comment section, you know, is this actually going to move? And the answer is yes. There's a separate motor up here that this is like an add-on part, like one of the upgrades you can get that makes this just run and spin, and we're going to investigate that more as I discover it as well, because this is a brand new product to me. Anyway, guys, pretty cool. Please let me know what you think of this build so far in the comment section down below. Doing my best to get you guys these videos as quick as possible, but I still want to take my time and enjoy the build, get out and do some mud bashing still. Might do that tomorrow. But guys, there you go. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Hopefully you're inspired by this build, and we'll see you in the next episode of RC Adventures. Now get outside and have some fun with RC. You know I always do.